I won't mess on my car. That's one thing.
Really?
Yeah. But you plucking stuff screw.
What do you mean?
I need them labels. You must guys, you don't know what to do.
The badge is at the angle.
Put it on using all the double sided tape. So what you want to do is, just for this badge, you want to buy you a whole new 135i to replicate the badge. And then you just go so. And voila. We use this on our skin. You kind of like a clear feeling.
Do you know how bad that is for your skin?
Something like it. The only thing is we must be super sure when the Sikaflex go on. Because we have like so 5 minutes to, okay, nah, not even 5 minutes, like 3 minutes to move it around. After that, once it sticks, you must make me from your fishing rod for the end. Square one, cut it off again.
How much you gonna put on it?
I cut that Sikaflex gun. There's a big hole in it, man, so I don't think it will make small dots. I think I'm gonna have to push some out and then.
Gonna take
Must
something
give me like
out
a pencil or something, you know. What the fucking balls, man. And outro music.
3 days later.
So this is where we're currently at. Clear coat is on. We only ran into one problem though, if you can see pinholes in the paint on the bonnet. But I mean, that's the chance that you take when you don't use a proper spray booth. We still need to buff it, polish it, and then also hopefully that takes it out. If not, we're gonna have to remove it and then probably redo the whole entire bumper. My dad's working on the back. He got most of the back done already. Got the R-line lights fitted, and he's just busy wiring the beasting, running it through there and down here, and then we're gonna run it straight through the front and under the dash. While my dad's busy with that, he's gonna be finishing off the sides, and then I'm gonna tackle the front. I have to reassemble all of this. Got the lip, the front grille for the bumper, and then you also got the arches, but I couldn't find the clip that fits in here. The wipers and the badge didn't turn out too bad. So I've got the bumper already prepped, got the grille tightened in, got the lip on. As you saw in the previous video, this is how we installed it. Next, I've got to take that off, and then I'm going to fit the lights. So as you can see, we got quite a bit done yesterday. The whole back was finished, all complete. This side my dad fixed up. Everything's fitted inside and outside of the doors. I managed to get the whole front fitted as well, and then I also did the front door, but it was a bit late, so I just ended there. So today I basically just have to do the backside door, fit the window, and obviously inside as well. Still have to fit the plastic on the fenders, and then also the spoiler. But I'm not going to do the spoiler just yet because I want to get the blackout tape that goes over here, and I'm only going to sort that out once the car is polished. So before I put the spoiler on, I need to put the sticker on. I'm also still looking for this grommet or something that will fill this. I've been to a couple of places but I haven't found that. And then also the front wipers need to be installed, but I might not fit that because obviously we don't know the case with the bonnet. As you can see now, there's like slight pinholes in the clear coat.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right?
So we got the 135 boys back. Wade was here last week. Oh no, he was here Tuesday. He was here Tuesday to do his badge.
Yeah.
He resprayed his badge and fit himself.
What the fucking balls, man.
It actually came out nice, Wade. I thought you messed up. And today Matthew's here, he's busy with his wheels. Cleaning his wheels. Huh?
Trying out the new product.
So Matthew's cleaning his wheels and he's also cleaning his brake calipers. I need to still finish up this door. I'm gonna start that now while they continue with the brakes and the wheels. I'll show you guys another before and after when we do the next wheel and the next brake caliper.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hate plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line.
So this is the before of the caliper on the rear, and then the wheel. But the most dirtiest part is the back. Here's another before, well, after the product was applied. And here's an after, and this is inside the wheel. Didn't come out as good as the other one though.
But this is
Spray.
oh, it's like spray, yeah.
Front came out now.
Ay, coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win, yeah. LABB who.
So that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. You'll probably see a lot more of Matthew and Wade's 135i's. They also want to do quite a bit or some modifications still to their cars, so stay tuned for that because there should be some more content with their cars. And then yeah, I'm saying we're about 95% done with assembling the City Golf. There's just a few things that I still need to do once the paint has been corrected, and then also a few things that still needs to be done. Obviously the exhaust, because if you look at this, it's just way too small, and we also need a bit of sound, so we're not gonna go crazy with the exhaust. Obviously if you do a engine swap, and then we'll do proper branch and full stainless steel exhaust, whatever the case may be. But for now we're just gonna go with a nice tailpiece and something for sound. Obviously we need to get rid of this 4x4 look. It's way too high, so we're going to drop the car still, and then what's probably going to be the most challenging thing is choosing the rim. I like a OEM look, but I don't want to go for velocity because that's just so common these days. So it's going to be interesting. We're going to see what we can choose rim wise. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all of that. Hope that you're enjoying the content. Yeah, I'll try to post every Sunday. As for the last 3 weeks or so, 5 weeks, this is the 5th one I think, we've been consistent, so hopefully we can continue with that. I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Peace.